Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go through a camp that I've had a lot of questions about in previous videos. Maybe you've seen a frame in the background with triple axles. We're about to walk through it. So anyways, we'll get started on the exterior. I'll show you around, see what's going on out there, and then we'll come through and go through the interior. So let's get going. We're gonna try and do this with the best audio that we can. We've got that solar eclipse, so everybody's coming down this way, so we might get a lot of road noise. But yeah, as you can see, triple axle. This is a 26-foot box with another little bit here, 5 feet for your deck, and then another 6 feet for your tongue. You can see this is actually 8-inch tubing on this one. 1/4-inch thickness. I don't know if you can see that or not. So really heavy on the frame, 7,200 pound axles, 8 lug. It does have the heated tanks, stabilizer jacks on all 4. It's got the diamond plate down the side. This one also, I think those of you that watched the last video, this one is a 2-way water heater, so both AC power as well as propane. You've got your crank down. This one does have the inverter. You can see it there in the back. Your solar panels. Forced air furnace, all your water fill connections, your electrical connections. This one, he did do a big picture window on the side over the recliners inside. And this is a little different. That little vent will show you what's going on with it on the inside. You've got your storage there for your ramps to load an ATV on the front, motorcycles, whatever. Then your storage compartment up here that latches, and those grates pull out. I keep all my stabilizer handles in there, tire chocks, even some of my sewer connections in there. Your coupler, breakaway, safety chains, propane tanks, and then it's got the split Dutch door, which most of our camps have that. And some cool little personal touches that he did. These are railroad spikes. I can get the camera to focus. But yeah, kind of cool. So anyways, let's go in and see what's going on in here. So as we walk in, maybe I'll just go through these colors with you real quick. So this cabinet color is a Montana walnut. Really pretty, kind of dark brown. Then we've got a heritage buckskin flooring. Bianco Romano countertops. And then this is a white cypress wall color with chocolate brown recliners. So anyways, back to the front where we always start. These are all cedar lined closets. So you've got this one, and then you've got your dovetail drawers below. And then this one's got some shelving in it, as well as his monitoring system and switches are all in this one. And then he has his hookups for the washer and dryer combo. So kind of cool. We do quite a few of these. I wouldn't say that they're super popular, but if you're planning on living in them full time or renting them out or anything like that, it's kind of a nice feature. And then this one, your other switches here for your water heater and your electric tank heaters. And then these have the soft close hinges as well. Your stainless steel fridge freezer combo. Microwave. Then this one's got your pull-out pantries with storage up above. Your propane gas light. Overhead storage. Your gas struts. Lots of counter space. Stainless steel range. This little box down here, that's your converter with your fuse panel as well as your breakers. And we have some barnwood looking, these are made out of a calico hickory. And then our recliners with the center console. This does have the charge port there on the top for phones. You've got outlets on the side, USB ports, 12-volt plugs. Another little nightstand on that side. Then this one does have the inverter, so he can run his microwave, charge phones, watch TV, whatever they want to do in this one. Your forced air furnace. Fantastic fan. This one's got a big headboard, bookcase. This does open up, so you can lift this shelf up and store stuff back behind there. And then it's got the bunk up above with a picture window up above there. Your egress window, reading light. This one does have the fantastic fan with your rosewood trim. And then below this lower bed, you've got another row of drawers. And then this entertainment center is also calico hickory. And it's got the barnwood sliding doors with some shelves. This center section's all open behind those doors, but those doors can go either way. And then the star of the show, wood stove. Everyone that I talk to, all of our customers, they'll all tell you this is a game changer. We just had a customer in here this last week that they spent the weekend. We've been getting down, right around freezing here. They spent their last weekend in theirs watching TV, reading books, sitting by the fire. They commented that it was the best weekend they've had in a long time. So definitely a game changer. And more overhead storage. Lots of windows in this one too. And then like I said on the other side, tons of counter space, lots of storage. Big single sink. This is the wider of the two single sinks that we offer. Then the bathroom. There's your medicine cabinet, mirrors, little vanity sink. Porcelain toilet. And then this one has the 32-inch shower with the stainless steel glass door. So, and then he didn't want the frosted window, so this one's just got the standard glass in the bathroom. Well, that's an overall look at this camp. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are, what you think of the color combinations, the layout, what you'd change, maybe what you'd keep, whatever. So anyways, thanks for watching.